Pero Camille, understanding a person, i-generalize natin. Kung saan nanggagaling, kung saan ang pinagpulan, is not tantamount to condoning her.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi
Definitely.
ba yun eh?
Of
Naiintindihan
course.
kita kung saan pinanggagalingan mo, pero wala kang karapatan manakit.
Agree, Tito Boy. So, again, hindi ko siya, I do not agree with everything that she does.
Okay, let's talk about Nathan. Nathan is now 17. Okay. At ang pinag-uusapan na, I don't want to use the word control kasi hindi maganda yung control ng parent. Influence, maybe. How much influence do you have over your son?
Well, sana, Tito Boy, madami. Sana madami.
Sana.
Siyempre, nandyan yung mga kaibigan, nandyan yung peers, di ba? But BJ and I, we try our best to be very intentional with him, especially because lumalaki na siya. So, we always talk to him, lagi namin sinasabi sa kanya yung mga pros and cons ng mga bagay-bagay, but we let him decide.
How much of what you say he listens to?
I would say, sa palagay ko, siguro mga nasa
Last year, nagkaroon ng purity bond si Nathan. Hindi namin naunawaan yan. Can you make us understand what is?
Siguro, Tito Boy, in our family, it's very important for us to apply our faith. That we don't only just know it, we don't only just learn it, but we really do it. So, isa yun sa mga bagay na tinuturo namin sa mga anak namin. So, yung school niya, nagkaroon sila ng purity bond, and then they encourage their students, especially those of his age, to remain pure, not only physically, but more than that, siguro, sa pag-iisip, sa ginagawa, sa mga intention. So, it's really guided by the principles of faith.
Napakaganda.
So, yun, Tito Boy. So, bago kami dumaan dyan, we made sure na naiintindihan niya at nag-a-agree siya dun sa mga prinsipyong yun.
In other words, may concept ang bata na uunawaan niya. At saka ang purity, ang sabi natin, this is before marriage. Camille, I'll just push it a little bit. Halimbawa sa mga pagkakataon, and these are nothing to do with Nathan, sa mga pagkakataon na nag-break, halimbawa ang bawal na ito, in your faith, sa ating paniniwala, sa ating faith, ano ang nangyayari?
Dito ko at the end of the day, choice nila yan eh. Diba? Parang hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na because we have gone through that, magiging perfecto ang ating pagdadaanan. At hindi talaga siya mag-break. But if it happens, then the consequences will be left sa kanya.
Okay.
So yun yung gusto namin ipaintindi sa kanya na kung sakali man, ikaw at ikaw lang din naman ang haharap sa consequences that will come to it.
Gaano kadali, gaano mahirap na natanggap ni Nathan si VJ? And gaano kahirap at kadali na ikay natanggap bilang ina ni Ice, ang anak ni VJ, from his previous relationship?
Siguro, Tito Boy, yung pagtanggap ni Nathan kay BJ, mas naging madali siya because when BJ came into our lives, he was about 4 or 5 years old. So parang siya na talaga yung kinagisnan ni Nathan na tatay. Pagdating naman kay Ice, I met Ice when he was about 8 or 9 years old. And hindi ko kasi itinihis yung sarili ko sa buhay ko. I would say na siguro pagdating sa pagtanggap, I can't really speak for him.
Dito yung matrapik, oh.
Na nakilala ko yung batang yun.
Aksidente dyan, no?
Rato na parang hindi niya nire-respeto.
Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Yan ang accident-prone area. Yan, oh. Diba? Accident-prone area ito. Galing.
And na. Agad-agad. Yes, Monday na.
Anong would you know what time slot?
3:20 p.m. pagkatapos ng prinsesa ng City Jail.
Mommy dearest, alam ko natin yan. Mabait po ako doon. Okay, let's talk about that quote, you know. And that's very interesting. Sa marriage, dapat intentional ka. Intentional kayo in protecting, you know.
But eventually, siguro, natuto rin kami na parang it's really not about us. It's not about what he likes or what I like. It's more of coming together and really understanding the design of